How to change the tempo and key in Soundation. First of all, go to the sound library and drag any loop or music clip into your project timeline. This will create a new channel automatically. Now, look at the top center of the workspace where you will find the tempo setting right next to the metronome icon. Click on the tempo number and either type in your desired BPM or use the up and down arrows to adjust it. As you can change the tempo, you will notice your entire project speeds up or slows down depending on the value you set. Once you are done setting the tempo, let's move on to changing the key. Click on the plus icon to add a new channel and select instrument channel. Now, double click on the empty timeline of that channel to create a new MIDI clip. After that, double click the clip you just created to open the note editor. In the note editor, select all the notes and drag them up or down to shift the key. You can use this method to raise or lower the pitch of your melody and create key changes manually. This works well when you want to match melodies or create different moods in your track. Just make sure you adjust all MIDI clips if you want the whole song in a new key. And that's it. Now you know how to change the tempo and key in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.